Today's my topic is vector analysis. Student, what is vector quantity? If a physical quantity, magnitude and direction both are present, we said a vector quantity. Clear? Number first, law of triangle of vector addition. This is a concept. If two vector P and Q and QR represent in a length of triangle, clear, and PQ is a vector A and QR is a vector B, then combine both vector, that is PQR, this is vector A and this vector B. So third length of triangle PR represented by vector A plus vector B. This is triangle law of vector addition. Clear? That is PR is equal to PQ plus QR. Means दो वेक्टर ए और बी ट्रायंगल की दो लेंथ पी क्यू और क्यू आर को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, तो थर्ड लेंथ पी आर दोनों के वेक्टर ए प्लस बी को रिप्रेजेंट करेगा. मीन्स पी आर इज इक्वल टू पी क्यू प्लस कितना होगा क्यू आर, दैट इज वेक्टर ए प्लस वेक्टर बी, रिजल्टेंट वेक्टर C is equal to, means C is equal to vector A plus vector B. This is known as triangle law of vector addition. Now, second point, vector commutative law. Clear? Sorry. If two vector A and B vector A and vector B. Now this law is A plus B is equal to B plus A. This is known as commutative law of vector addition. Means vector A plus B is equal to vector B plus vector A. Clear? Proof. Let PQ represent in vector A direction this and QR represent in vector B direction this. Clear? So P is the origin. So draw a first line and second line. PQ, this is R and this S. ठीक है, ये हमने पैरेललोग्राम बनाया है. ये वेक्टर ए, सो ये भी वेक्टर ए, बी तो ये वेक्टर पी. क्लियर हुआ? रिजल्टेंट वैल्यू ऑफ पी एंड आर रिप्रेजेंट बाय वेक्टर सी. क्लियर हुआ? सो इफ ए बी, नाउ ए एंड बी इज अ टू वेक्टर and PQRS is a rectangle, that is PQ is equal to SR is equal to vector A and PS is equal to QR is equal to vector B. In triangle PQR, clear, means ये P, ये Q and R. This is represent vector A and vector B. So this is a triangle law vector A plus B. Clear? So PR is equal to PQ plus QR, means vector A plus vector B. PR is equal to equation 1. Clear? Now triangle RSP means R, S and P. This is vector B and this vector A. So direction means vector PR is equal to vector PS plus vector SR. Clear? So PR is equal to vector B plus vector A. ठीक है, PR is equal to, this is equation second. Now equation first and second, we get A plus B is equal to B plus A. This is known as triangle law of vector. Now associative law. A, B, C is a three vector, then A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Means A plus B को पहले ऐड करें, उसमें C को ऐड करें, then B plus C को पहले ऐड करें, then उसमें C A को ऐड करें. Both are equal. Clear? So proof. Let A, B and C is a vector. Means O is the origin, OP is a vector A, PQ is a vector B, QR is a vector C. Clear? And resultant value this. So OP is a vector P. So मैंने कहा कि तीन वेक्टर हैं A, B, C, ओरिजेंट O है. ठीक है, अब हमने ज्वाइंट बिटवीन O एंड Q, दैट इज ट्रायंगल OPQ. Triangle law apply. OQ is equal to OP plus PQ means vector A plus vector B. This is equation 1. Clear हुआ? And triangle OQR, triangle OQ and R. Clear? So other against triangle law apply means OR is equal to OQ plus QR means OQ plus QR. So OQ, this is A plus B means vector A plus vector B and RQ plus vector C. Clear? So this is equation second. Now join between P and R. ठीक है, so triangle PQR. बेटा यहाँ आपको दिख नहीं रहा है, इसलिए मैं यहाँ फिर से बना रहा हूँ. This P, Q and R, vector B, vector C. Now triangle law, RP, vector RP is equal to PQ plus QR means vector B plus vector C. RP is equal to, this is equation third. Clear? Now triangle OQR, ये भी आपको दिख नहीं रहा है, इसलिए मैं यहाँ पे फिर से बना रहा हूँ. ये ऐसा ट्रायंगल है बेटा, OQR. This is vector A plus vector B, this vector C. So triangle law of vector addition, ओ आर इज इक्वल टू ओ क्यू प्लस क्यू आर. सो ओ क्यू की वैल्यू है वेक्टर ए प्लस वेक्टर बी एंड प्लस क्यू आर की वैल्यू है वेक्टर सी. दिस इज इक्वेशन फोर्थ. ये क्यू आर ओ आर. क्लियर हुआ? सो आर पी. हाँ, okay. Now triangle OQR. Sorry, now triangle OPR. OPR. O, P and R. ठीक है? This is vector A and this is vector B plus C. Clear हुआ? So this is vector B plus C. So OR is equal to OP plus PR means vector A plus vector B plus vector C. This is equation fifth. Clear? So equation second and fifth, we get vector A plus vector B plus vector C is equal to vector A plus vector B plus vector C. This is known as associative law of vector addition. Now parallelogram law of vector addition. Clear? So इसमें स्टेटमेंट है, if two vector A and B place at theta angle, then resultant vector C is equal to root over vector A square plus vector B square plus 2 vector A dot vector B into cos theta. This is known as parallelogram law of vector addition. Clear? So proof. Proof. Two vector A and B. If two vector A and B place at theta angle, P and Q. This is vector A and vector B. Clear? So अब हमने इसको आगे बढ़ाया. This is OX direction and this is OX direction and यहाँ से भी हमने एक पैरेललोग्राम कंप्लीट किया. S, this is vector B, so this vector B and this is vector A, so ये vector A. Means parallelogram complete हुआ. Clear हुआ? So resultant vector, that is this OS, is equal to vector C. Clear हुआ? S से perpendicular draw किया M. This angle theta, so this angle also theta. Clear हुआ? So ट्रायंगल हमने बोला कि एस एम परपेंडिकुलर है पी एक्स में. क्लियर हुआ? एंड ट्रायंगल ओ एस एम दिस इज अ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. क्लियर हुआ? अकॉर्डिंग टू पाइथागोरस थ्योरम OH square is equal to OM square plus MS square. Clear हुआ? So OH square plus OM square plus MS square. So OM is equal to vector OM is equal to vector OP plus vector PM. देखो OM is equal to OP plus PM में, ठीक है. So here putting value OS square is equal to OM means OP plus PM whole square plus MS का whole square. Now open A square OP square plus B square PM square plus 2 OP इंटू PM और प्लस ये वाला बचा हुआ MS स्क्वायर. क्लियर हुआ. सो ये वैल्यूज आपकी आ गई. OP स्क्वायर PM स्क्वायर, ठीक है, A स्क्वायर प्लस B स्क्वायर प्लस 2AB और प्लस ये बचा हुआ MS स्क्वायर. ठीक है. अब दिस इज इक्वेशन 1. नाउ ट्रायंगल PSM यार बना देता हूं मैं. SMP, this is angle theta. Clear? ये वेक्टर B. So Pythagoras theorems again apply. PS square is equal to PM square plus MS square. That is, and cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse means PM upon hypotenuse means PS. Clear हुआ. So PM is equal to PS cos theta. That is PS is equal to vector B. So vector B cos theta. Clear हुआ. So now equation 1, putting this value. Clear. Now equation 1 putting this value means OS square is equal to OP square plus PM square plus MS square or plus 2 OP dot PM. Clear? So here PM plus MS is equal to PM plus MS is equal to PS means OP square plus PS square plus 2OP dot PM. Clear? So OP is equal to, according to figure, OP is equal to vector A square, PS is equal to vector B square plus 2, OP is equal to vector A and vector A and PM is equal to vector B cos theta from equation second. PM की वैल्यू इक्वेशन सेकंड से कितनी है? B cos theta. So OS is equal to vector C square. So this value is vector C square. Means vector C is equal to root over vector A square plus vector B square plus vector 2 dot AB cos theta. Dot AB cos theta. This is known as parallelogram law. Case first. If theta is equal to 0 degree, that is both are parallel. This is vector A and this is vector B. Means this equation is third. Means cos theta is equal to cos 0. Cos 0 is equal to 1. Now Equation third, vector C is equal to root over vector A square plus vector B square plus 2 vector A dot B. So vector C is equal to root over vector A plus vector B का whole square, means vector C is equal to vector A plus vector B. This is first case. And case second, if theta is equal to 90, that is both are parallel, vector A and vector B, means cos theta is equal to cos 90, 0. So equation third is vector C is equal to root over vector A square vector B square plus 0, means vector C is equal to root over vector A square plus vector B square. Clear? Now case third, if theta is equal to 180, means both vector are opposite, means vector A and vector B. This is 180 angle. So cos theta is equal to cos 180 minus 1. So equation third, vector C is equal to root over vector A square plus vector B square plus vector 2 dot AB minus 1, means vector A square plus vector B square minus 2 vector A dot vector B. So C is equal to root over A minus B का whole square, means vector A minus vector B. This is case third. Clear? Now, scalar product. If vector A and vector B is a two vector, then scalar product represented by A dot B. A dot B is equal to modulus A modulus B cos theta, also called A B cos theta, vector A dot vector B, where theta is equal to angle between A and P. If vector A is equal to AX I cap, AY J cap plus AZ K cap, then absolute value means modulus A, means A is equal to root over AX square plus AY square and AZ square, where AX, AY, AZ is a AX, AY, AZ is a AX, AY, AZ is a factor of X, Y and Z direction, and I, J, K is a unit vector of X, Y and Z direction. Similarly, vector B is equal to Bx I cap plus By J cap plus Bz K cap. Then modulus B is equal to vector B root over Bx square plus By square or plus Bz square. Clear हुआ? So vector modulus A and modulus B, and the value of A and B this, and cos theta this. This is known as scalar product of vector quantity. Clear? So here I dot I cap dot I cap is equal to J dot J is equal to K cap dot K cap is equal to 1, and I dot J is equal to J dot K is equal to K dot I is equal to 0. Clear? So this is two condition: I dot I, J dot J, K dot K is equal to 1, I dot J, J dot K and k dot I is equal to 0. This is known as scalar product between two vector. क्लियर हुआ? So इसमें भी है कि if theta is equal to 0, then vector A dot vector B is equal to AB. फर्स्ट केस है. सेकेंड केस है if theta is equal to 90, then vector A dot vector B is equal to 0. And third case है if theta is equal to 180, then vector A dot vector B is equal to minus A into B. This is three cases of scalar product. Now vector product. If two vector A and vector B place at theta angle, means O, this is vector A and this is vector B, angle theta, and moving this direction, means this is direction of n cap. This is direction of n cap, means unit vector. So vector product A cross B is equal to AB sin theta into n cap. ठीक है, where n cap is equal to unit vector. This is 1. So vector A cross vector B is equal to AB sin theta. ठीक है, where A and B is a modulus of vector A and vector B. क्लियर हुआ? सो ये वैल्यूज यहाँ पे होती है. अब I क्रॉस I कैप प्लस J क्रॉस J कैप प्लस K क्रॉस K कैप इज इक्वल टू 0, and I cross J plus J cross I plus I cross K is equal to 1. ये बराबर is equal to A is equal to 1. क्लियर हुआ? So this is vector product of two vectors A and vector B.